GameStop and AMC have been showing a lot of strength in recent trading sessions, especially GameStop. So GameStop gained around 74% in today's session, that is today the 13th of May 2024. AMC gained around 28%. So this is the 1 minute chart for GameStop. This is not the entire, pretty much the entire session of today, the 18th. You can see it reached the highs of around $36.68, cooled off and is currently at $31.73. Short interest is around 24% for GameStop. And on this 1 minute chart, we have projections that go all the way towards 33.74. And if you come back to its 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 daily chart, you can see what the spike, the spike that happened today. But it didn't start today. It has been brewing for some time now. It's from the Thursday, the 2nd of May. That was when this very steep, very steep angle of attack, began to print or ensue. So, amongst other things, this should and this should be an indication that you just have to be really careful. There's a good chance that this volatility has to be accounted for before the next trend occurs. So, but at the same time, ChatGPT is saying that since around 68% of the closing prices for GameStop falls within one standard deviation of its mean in a number distribution, the probability can be estimated. The probability that this current trend will remain intact is around 68%. But if you look at it in another sense, the probability that the price is going to pull back from its current levels is around $99.78. I mean, this is natural. You will expect that will be the case. Yes, we'll expect that it has spiked volatilities there. Yes, this is just a validation of what you know. The probability that it will continue to move on is just currently around 0.2%. Yet, even within this 0.2%, a lot can still happen. So yes, what we have here is that it's going to pull back. It's the algos hasn't recalculated, so we have a support of around 14.54. But we have to have a look at its maybe 45-minute chart and see whether there are upper projections there. Yeah, there are upper projections on the 45-minute chart. We have 32.85, we have 34.87, 34.95, and then we have 35.62. Probabilities go all the way. The prices go all the way towards 37.42 for GameStop. So yeah. Let's quickly have a look at the AMC. AMC isn't as fantastic. The chart is not as appealing as that of GameStop. You can see that sideways movement since early September of last year. Sideways movement. There might be some yes, okay, yes. This quite a steep angle of attack on its daily chart, on its 1 minute chart. This is its 1 minute chart projections. We have all the way towards a 6.62. 6.62 is what we have for AMC, currently trading at around 6.1. Yes, at 6.1, 6.02, I think 6.02, but close at 5.19. And let's have a look at its 45-minute chart and see what we have for its projections. Okay, we don't have any projections. We have downward projections. We have 3.38. So there isn't much to see here. Let's have a look at its 3-hour chart. And we have only downward projections. What are the odds? Are we going to see anything on the 4-hour chart? No upper projection on the for our chart. We can have a look at its weekly chart. Yes, on the weekly chart we have an upper projection of 94.79. That's really ambitious. Between this current price of 94.79 and where it is right now, there are a lot of prices. There are a lot of prices that can. There are a lot of support. There are a lot of resistances here. You know, you can see. Yeah, but obviously, since this is a weekly chart, it just gives us that. Indeed, there are projections here, but they're all modeled up, and I don't want to start interfering with the chart. So let's have a look. I think we saw the projection on the 1 minute chart. Let's have a look at this 5 minute chart and see whether we have. Yes, we have projections there, but they're not as ambitious as you would want it to be. No, on its 15-minute chart, there isn't anything there. I think our best bet at a very short interval chart, all the charts we have 6.37 dollars. $6.37. We also have some facts here about some, I wouldn't say facts, some breakdown from ChatGPT as it concerns AMC. It's saying here that using a standard normal distribution table or calculator, we can find the probability of a z-score of negative 1.65 or lower, or lower is approximately 0.5. So there's roughly a 5% probability that the last entry, that is the closing price of around 5.19, represents a sustainable trend within one standard deviation of the mean. This means that it's relatively unlikely but not entirely impossible that this current trend as it concerns AMC will be sustained. So for GameStop, it's projected that it's projected that there's a 68% probability that the current trend will be sustained, but the reverse is the case with AMC. So AMC is not deemed to be a very good bet. Not deemed to be a very good bet. So we can have a look here and see what we can make out of this. Let's query it and see whether we can find a probability that it will get to 6.37. Okay, let's see. Okay, so can you let us know? So the $6.37. Okay, so the probability is around 17.76. Now we need to find the z-score of 17.76 was higher. Since the z-score is extremely high, we can see that the probability is very close to 1, or practically certain that the price will not spike to. Okay, so it's not this is not the probability. This is just a z-score. Okay, so this z-score is extremely high. So the probability that it's very close to 1, or practically certain that the price would not spike to 6 points based on the historical data and assuming a normal distribution. In other words, it's highly unlikely, given the historical data, that the price will spike to $6.37. However, keep in mind that the stock prices can be influenced by various factors and may not always follow a normal distribution perfectly. Yes, indeed. There's indeed 6.7 at have we not even seen that? 6.37. 6.37. Have we not already seen that already in this pre-market, in this regular session? 6.37. Yeah, we've seen something close to that. So statistically, it doesn't seem like it's something that can happen, but it has actually pretty much happened already. Yeah, so have a look at GME stocks. These are now very, very risky stocks at the moment, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.